Are you looking for a way to improve your health, save money, and find more meaning? Well, you might be surprised to hear the answer is as simple as starting a garden. In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 reasons why you should start a garden, and trust me, these aren't your typical gardening tips. We're gonna dig deep, pun intended, into how gardening can transform your life. You won't believe how much gardening can improve your mental health, and reason number 3 could seriously change your grocery bill. So stick around to find out more. Our journey into gardening often begins with a desire for growing and eating better food. And when you start to learn where most of our food comes from, it can be a real eye-opener. I began to realize that so much of what's in the grocery store is loaded with things I just don't want to feed my family. Things like artificial food dyes and produce grown with lots of chemicals. And it's not just the food itself, even our water can be a concern. That's why we're taking control of what we grow and how we grow it, and that is so important. Growing your own food organically and focusing on healthy soil is a powerful way to provide for yourself and your loved ones. But it's not just about what you're eating, it's also about how gardening makes you feel. Gardening isn't just good for your diet, it's also incredible for your overall health and well-being. I was amazed personally by how many studies confirm the positive effects that gardening can have on your life. It's not just anecdotal, science actually backs this up. From improving mental health, reducing stress, to boosting vitamin D and increasing physical activity, the benefits are endless. And get this, even getting your hands dirty can be good for your gut. Okay, so gardening is good for your body and your mind, but can it actually help you become more self-sufficient? Let's talk about food security. In the past, people were much more connected to their food sources. It's easy to take grocery stores for granted, but events in recent years have shown us just how fragile those systems can be. Growing your own garden provides a sense of security. It's like having your own personal grocery store right outside your door. You might be surprised how much money you can save by growing your own food. Let's face it, groceries are expensive, and I'm always shocked at how much we end up spending checking out at the grocery store. But gardening can significantly reduce your grocery bill. The cost of seeds is minimal compared to the amount of food that you can grow from those seeds. Plus, if you grow heirloom varieties, which we always do, you can even save the seeds and grow them year after year for free. And finally, gardening can provide something that money can't buy: a deeper connection to the world around us. This last reason is a bit more personal, but it's incredibly important. Gardening can foster this sense of connection to something larger than ourselves. Being in the garden, witnessing the miracle of a tiny seed becoming a plant, it's awe-inspiring. It gives you a deeper appreciation for the natural world. For me, gardening has also strengthened my faith. It's a reminder that we're part of something bigger, and it can be a very grounding experience. I had grown disconnected from the natural world, and the garden pulled me back in. Becoming a gardener transformed my life from someone wasting away behind a computer screen to the very vibrant, healthy, best version of myself that I am today. God showed me the light, and I would have been a blind fool not to follow. The simple act of getting my hands in the soil, starting seeds, and watching them grow, it breathed new life into me. And this newfound hobby was so fulfilling, it quickly filled those gaping holes in my life. Many of those holes I didn't even realize were things that I was missing. Perhaps starting a garden could lead to the transformation that you've been searching for in your own life. So there you have it, 5 powerful reasons to start a garden. It's not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle that can transform your health, your wallet, and your perspective. So if you're ready to get started on your own gardening journey, you're gonna enjoy my new book, The 400 Square Foot Garden. My book is now published on Amazon, and it is a step-by-step guide how anybody could transform a 400 square foot plot of grass in their backyard into a productive garden that feeds your family year-round. And in that book, I give crop planting templates, so you don't even have to guess at what to plant and when. You could just follow the templates of crop plans that I've already tried and tested. This works, and you can grow food all year long, a ton of food, in just a 400 square foot space. And I put it all in my book, and I really want to help people create their first gardens, and I'm very excited and proud of the book that I created for you guys. So I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, there's a link down below if you want to check that out. Please do. And if you do buy it and find it helpful, please leave a review on Amazon. That'll really help Amazon push that book out to reach more people. That would mean a big deal to me. So that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.